It's a long line. Yeah, everybody's.
Oh, what's up, y'all? What's up, friends, everybody here on Facebook and everything? Not the high order, I should say. Okay. So anyway, of course, some of you already know if y'all see the title, if it's on YouTube already or whatever. So I'm at Mechacon, where there's a lot of people in the line. You know, getting ready for the. There's a lot of folks here. You want to be on the show? Oh yeah, this is Facebook Live right now.
Hi, Facebook.
All right, but it's going on YouTube as well.
Okay, hi, YouTube.
All right. What's your name? Don't say the full name though. Oh, well, never mind. What do you address as?
I'm Pinky. I'm Lust.
All right. What's your name?
I'm Sarah.
All right.
Kat.
All right, Kat. Not Kat Valentine from Victoria. Huh? I'm just joking. I'm just joking though. So y'all, I guess y'all sad about the Mechacon, huh?
Yeah, please no touching the phone. But please no touching the phone. There's no alcohol allowed. If you do have alcohol, hurry up and drink it. But it's not allowed.
All right. So how y'all doing today?
We're good.
I know y'all glad to be here. Huh? All right.
We come every year.
Oh yeah, but would y'all ever go to Comic Con?
Maybe.
Wizard World Comic Con.
Maybe.
Yeah, they're gonna have it at the convention center. Where y'all from?
We're from like yeah. We're from like the Hammond area.
Oh, Hammond. Oh, not Ham, Louisiana. I'm just joking, Ham. Oh, Hammond. When I was a kid, my auntie stood on Reed Boulevard in Hammond, and I called it Ham Street. All right. So anyway, I'm about to stop this, and I'm gonna interview you on my recording. Yeah. All right. So anyway, I'm so glad to interview some friendly people. I mean, so much love in here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. So, all right. I'll talk to y'all in another segment.